So the whole premiere is totally black. No access to the public. Well, we don't know why the reason for this, but most likely to prevent people from coming here and gathering, and COVID cases rising up again. Best way to protect the public is keep event like this close. Yeah, booking is close. That's the only assumption that can come. That's the only conclusion that can come from this situation. See where they dropped them off right there? Where that red tail light? That's where the limo drop off is. Can't even see the star. Yeah, the whole thing is closed. The red carpet thing is also closed too. Guess we'll try our luck next time. Oh my god. Hey, thank you for watching, guys, and stay safe.